Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'll be taking you through gold as price has traded outside of the monthly range. So we've been talking about gold downside ever since price came into the $1,800 handle, because price was trading in this overall range but forming lower lows and lower highs. And we were talking about if gold was going to find support at the monthly range lows, then we probably would expect a higher low to form, or at least an equal low. Now price did come into that equal low, however we have since traded outside of the monthly range lows, which is this 1677 handle through here. So price breaking through this structure low here is fairly significant. Now the reason why price is doing that is because of the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve are hiking rates more aggressively in line with the rising inflation rate, and they have talked about needing to hike rates a little bit more, and they've also, or economists have talked about the federal funds rate reaching 5%. So recent history has told us that when the Federal Reserve hike interest rates, gold prices move lower, and that's been pretty much the story of the market throughout 2022. And price doesn't look like we're going to slow down anytime soon. Now, there are some key support points that we need to consider. First of all, price is bouncing at the moment from this minor support zone around about 1625, and we're kind of bouncing from this area. However, if we do expect the dollar to get stronger, then we could see price trade back through this level and head towards the next point of interest, which would be this 1460 level down through here. You can see price has retested here on numerous occasions. Now, if we are going to see that continuation, I'd expect to see lower highs and lower lows on a lower time frame. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, for instance, you can see that price is consolidating, breaking, making new lows, and most recently we've consolidated below the range lows and then broke to the downside. So if that's going to continue to be our path of what happens, then what we could be expecting is price to consolidate again, a slow consolidation build up, come back into this minor range low that we've pointed out here on the 4-hour time frame, and then we could look for sellers to re-enter the market around these areas, and we could even look perhaps back at that monthly range low at 1677, because that's where sellers have been active in the most recent past. So will those sellers remain in the market here? Will they push prices lower from this point? If they do, and we break below into fresh lows, where's the next point of interest? That $1460 area. So keep your eye on gold. Could have a continuation of the trend. The only risk really to the market, I feel, is if I was to go back to that 4-hour, that weekly time frame, sorry. If we were to see a weekly pullback, we may expect prices to rise a little bit higher, just because we've got this kind of low area through here where price has found support most recently before continuing to push lower in the short term. So if I just grab a label, we can see that that price is around $1,700 or $1,710. So interesting zone through there that could act as resistance as well. So just in case price trades through these range highs here, we could expect it to come up a little bit higher. Hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll catch you in the next video.